Hey guys, welcome back to Future Homesteader. Today we're on our way to a small animal sale and we're gonna be seeing laughing chickens and peacocks and even lemurs. So let's get to it.
Oh, it's silver athlete.
So cool. I feel so. They're like super cool.
Wow.
And this rooster. Oh yeah. And these teeny ones that are like silver duckweed. They're like so cool. And then there's also like, yeah, they've been laying eggs. What? Yeah. All these silkies. That's the sound. Peacock. Whoa, Ashley, look at those. You see the rabbits in here? Yeah. Here's some button quail. Look at these little ducklings. Oh. These are so adorable.
And these guys are also.
Well, guys, I had a ton of fun going to the animal auction, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.